Insanely dangerous words coming out of Stephen Miller's mouth, this time directed at a federal judge. Following the two rulings by Trump-appointed Judge Karin Immergut temporarily blocking Trump's order to deploy the National Guards in Portland, Oregon, Miller decided to write and then publish this vitriolic statements where he calls the judge's order a legal insurrection, and also says that what's happening in Portland against federal agents is an organized terror attack. And if you think that Miller's choice of words is random, you'd be very wrong. Because in my opinion, the choice of both of those words is designed to suggest that the government can invoke some extraordinary powers that it doesn't really have, but that will have the effect of steamrolling, literally, over the other two branches. Calling the judge's order an insurrection certainly echoes this executive order and delegitimizes the authority of federal courts, but it also is, in my opinion, an attempt to elevate the role of the federal government to savior of peace and security of the United States, no matter what the consequences. And just as importantly, calling organized terror attack whatever is happening in Portland, regardless of the evidence, allows, once again, the White House to carry forward its idea that they can bulk in anything they want in the concept of terror, regardless of what the law says. It doesn't matter to Miller that the judge specifically addressed this and said that the government presented no evidence that there is an active rebellion in Portland or that federal agents aren't allowed to carry out their duties, because Miller isn't interested in lawful process. And he certainly does not seem to be interested in the fact that the very words he used are contributing to the increased threat that our judges are continuing to face on both sides of the political spectrum. And in all this, of course, Congress could step in at any time, but apparently they have lost their collective spine, and that is the biggest threat of all.